Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another interesting video. The first tri-foldable phone is almost here, and we've got another look at it. The Huawei Mate X-T officially launches this coming Tuesday. But images and storage options have already been posted online by Huawei. You can head to the Huawei store now to see the Mate X-T in a red finish with gold accents. The site now lets you reserve the phone in China, and the storage options are listed as either 512 GB or 1 TB, which both come with 16 GB of memory. Huawei previously posted the same image on social media, and noted tipster Evan Blass has also shared the picture of the phone with a different dark grey colour. It looks as though these are the two colours that buyers can choose between. Unfortunately, it looks as though the Mate X-T won't be available outside of China, not least because Huawei devices are still banned in the US. The rest of us are going to have to wait to get our hands on a tri-folding phone. The addition of an extra fold to the standard foldable form factor adds an extra engineering challenge for Huawei, but it also means part of the main display can double up and be used as the outer display when the device is folded. With the Mate X and the Mate X2, Huawei has previously produced two different types of standard book-style foldables, one folding inward and one folding outward. We've also previously seen a teaser video for the Huawei Mate X-T, which offers a brief look at the phone in use. We're still waiting for some key details about the phone, including the main screen size and the chipset that's being used inside. All should be revealed on Tuesday, September 10th. Everything gets started at 2:30 p.m. China time, which means it'll be 11:30 p.m. PTT on September 9th and 2:30 a.m. ET on September 10. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos like this.